Hi sir, today I'm going to present my programming project, a MasterMind computer games. User interface. Upon game starts, player will be prompted with a color menu list. Each color in the menu is tagged with a code. To proceed, player needs to select the total 4 colors by entering their respective code. If player enters valid input, the system will show the color selected as confirmations and prompt player to enter the next color. Where if invalid input is entered, the system will show a message to ask player to re-enter a valid color code. After player finish entering the choice, there will be an output showing player's choice at this round, and player will be given a hint of the number of correct color in the correct place and correct color in the wrong place. Based on these informations, player can proceed with the next guess until correct color sequence is entered. Output above indicated, the player has completed the challenge and the number of attempts before making the correct selections. Code walkthrough. Global variable and constants. So for the max sections, current game requires only 4 color selections. This can be adjust different settings if needed. Colors menu, the list of available colors for player to choose. Color answers, the correct answers randomly generated by system will be stored here. Function list, so for the print color menu, print all the available colors in the game for player to select. So for the is valid input, cross-check if the user's input is valid or not. User input answer, get user's input and store in a list for verifications later. Verify answer, verify user selections against the actual answers. So for the is correct color wrong index, sub function for verify answer to check if the current color is correct but at wrong place. Main program, so generate 4 random numbers. Use these numbers to get the respective color in the menu as the final answer. So if get the correct answers, we'll print game complete message and info. If get the wrong answers, they will keep retrying. Print color menu, gets player inputs and verify answer. User input verifications. Check the validity of user's input. To simplify the user experience, player only need to enter the color code instead of typing the full strings. So 2 criteria to pass the validations. Input is numeric. The integer input is within the range of colors menu. So for the example, for 9 available colors, the user's input should be within 0 to 8. Stage 2. Check for remaining unverified items in the user selection list whether contains correct color at wrong place. Within the for loop of user selection list, the program will check if current index is already in the verified index from stage 1. If yes, the program will skip current loop since it's already verified. Else, the program will proceed to verify whether the color of current index matches any of the color in the color answers. Note that the extra criteria for this is if there is color match, the index cannot be same as those already in verified index. There is a sub functions dedicated to perform this checking, which will be discussed in the next slide. Check for correct color at wrong place. The overall logic behind this function is to find there is any occurrence of current player selected color in the color answers but not in the verified index list yet. So first one, get the count of current player selected color exists in the color answer list. For the second one, get the count of current player selected color exists in the verified index list. So for the third one, if the number from second is less than first, means apart from the verified item in verified index list, there is extra occurrence of this color in the color answer list, that we can confirm this current color is correct choice but at wrong place. So I will be start the program now. Please select 4 colors from the list below. So I will simply type 4 colors, 2, 3 and 4. As we can see that they will show your selections orange, yellow, green and blue. As we can see, the first color that I choose just now is orange, and the yellow, green and blue. So we have like 1 colors in a correct place and 1 colors in a wrong place. So if we type other than 8, it will keep calling you to retry it. Example, you see I type this one, it will keep call you to retrying the colors once until you press it correct. They will only proceed to the color 2. So when user guess correctly, it will show well done. You have chosen the correct colors, red, violet, greens, and orange. So they will show that total numbers that they have attempts to try it, total of 6. If they try 20 times, system will show here 20 times. Then after that, you can press enter to exit it. Thank you, sir.